Hello, my dear friends. I am Sri Arjun. Welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to discuss about sub-technology and divine. How our sub-technology is divine in itself. See, with the human being as 16 faculties of mind, but all those faculties can be brought into major 4 faculties. Now I am going to discuss about that 4 faculties one by one. First one is intellect, that means buddhi. Second one is manas, means memory. Third one means ahankara, means identification. And fourth one and the ultimate one is the chitta, that means the higher intelligence. All those 4 faculties are within our system, are inbuilt within our mind. Now just I am discussing one by one. What is intellect? Buddhi. It is the essential faculty for our day-to-day survival, for our day-to-day activity. Without it, we cannot maintain our life. Without it, we cannot sustain our own physicalities, right? But this faculty only depends on memory. Without the memory, this faculty cannot function. What is memory? Memory is the accumulated data and information of your past experiences and actions, and from that, those informations and data, your intellect functions. So your memory is very limited, and intellect obviously very limited because it is directly linked with memory and cannot function without the memory. Right? Now, the third faculty is the ahankara, means identification. Now, everybody on this planet is identified with something. Now we are identified with certain type of geography. We are identified with our own religion. We are identified with our own nation. We are identified with our own societies, communities, dogmas, philosophies, families. We have so many identities. And once you are identified with something, your faculties like intellect and thoughts start functioning around that identification. Suppose you are identified with a certain type of religion or certain type of philosophy, then at any cost you will try to defend your religion, your identification. They will try to defend their religion, their geography, their nation. He or she will defend his or her identification. So, the intellect, identification and memory cause hostilities. It is a very fundamental basis that breeds hostilities, unrest, chaos, war, fight, and everybody knows about it. Everywhere in this planet, in every part, every corner of this planet are fighting with each other only for their identification. You just see it and investigate it. Now there is another dimension, that is the 4th dimension, that is chitta. It is identified with nothing. This is the memory-less faculties and the most powerful faculty of the human mind. And this chitta is directly connected with the higher intelligence. You can say cosmic intelligence, you can say unified field, you can say higher consciousness. It is connected. Once you step into that dimension, then your intellect and your thoughts start functioning much more powerfully than you can ever imagine. And that dimension, Chitta, has the infinite possibilities. You can draw, we can attract infinite possibilities within to you, to your whole societies, to your whole nations, to your whole beautiful planet. But this is the memoryless dimension, identification-less dimension. In our such technology, we just guide our learners to step into, to get access to that dimension. And when you get access to that dimension, you will see you are identified with the whole existence, with the whole creation, with the unified whole. From that level, whatever your thought, project or initiate, that create ripples to every extremity of this existence. So, my dear friends, such technology is divine. It is for the whole existence. You can give it any name, you can attach any name to it. You can. It is itself very divine. Right? So, my dear friend, we want to bring a change in this planet. We want to bring peace, stability, harmony, fraternity to individual life, to social life, to communal life, to national life, to global life. But we cannot do it alone. Unitedly and collectively, we can do it. For that, we have to stand together. So, if you really want to do something great for your own life, for your own family life, and hence you can contribute your role, your participation for the upliftment of this beautiful planet, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the beautiful videos which I am sharing with all of you with new ideas, and in all the ideas there are one absolute truth, and with this absolute truth we can bring the stability, peace on this mother planet. So do take a very good care of yourself. See you soon.